A portable carpet cleaner is the perfect tool to quickly and easily clean up pet accidents or wine spills on carpeting and upholstery, so these busy areas of your home look their best. There are many products available to choose portable carpet cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best portable carpet cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Power Brush. This Bissell Mini Carpet Cleaning Champ earned our best overall score for performance, which included stain and odor removal, sound, runtime, and more. It easily removed both fresh and dry red wine and blueberry pie filling stains from our test carpets, and we found the machine was easy to clean and maintain. At just over 4 pounds, it was the lightest model we tested. We especially like that it features a built-in rotating brush for better deep cleaning. But we also like that the brush can be switched off to clean delicate fabrics like hand-woven rugs and velvet. An included nubby rubber pet tool helps better tackle pet messes. We experienced about 20 minutes of runtime and a recharge time of 4.5 hours. The 8-ounce tanks are small and require more frequent refilling than models with larger ones. Number 2. Kenmore KW2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. Cleaning an entire sofa, an upholstered wing chair, or a set of 8 dining room chairs might be too much for a small, cordless appliance to handle. Its combination of large tanks, an extra long hose and cord, and an oversized cleaning attachment means that you can easily reach and more quickly clean the cushions, curved arms, and broad backs of upholstered furniture pieces. But its usefulness doesn't end there. It's well equipped to handle fresh and set-in carpet stains more quickly than cleaners with smaller brush heads. It was intuitive to use and did a great job removing grape juice, tomato sauce, coffee stains, and more. The large tanks were easy to fill, and markings for small and big jobs let us know how much solution to add. Number 3. Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell is well known for its vacuums and extractors designed to clean up after pets, and this Spot Clean Pet Pro has features that pet parents will find especially helpful. A 4-foot hose, very long power cord, and large tanks make it perfect for cleaning up big messes, especially in hard-to-reach places. We especially liked its stain trapper tool that keeps nasty pet messes from reaching the hose or dirty water tank, where they can settle and cause odors. It was second only to the Rug Doctor in overall stain removal and was excellent at removing the odor of yellow ammonia that we put down on carpets to simulate pet urine. The cleaning formula that comes with this unit must be diluted before use. It lasts longer but requires this extra step. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. One of the first portable carpet cleaners to come to market, Bissell's Little Green machine set the bar high and continues to be one of the best, most sought-after cleaning appliances. Its 4-foot hose extends the reach of the cleaning nozzle into nooks and crannies where some other cleaners can't go, and the 48-ounce tanks mean you don't have to refill or empty them that often. We found the Hydro Rinse tool very handy to help flush out the hose, ridding it of trapped gunk and debris which can start to smell in storage. In addition, we love that the hose wraps around the base and snaps into the back. The cleaning solution must be diluted before use, and we did find holding the tank with one hand and pouring in the cleaner with the other a bit tricky. Number 5. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor is almost a cross between a portable and full-size carpet cleaner, and with its telescoping handle and wheels, it almost resembles a piece of carry-on luggage. Looks aside, it's a workhorse that powered through our stain tests and did the best job of nixing both the stain and the odor of the yellow ammonia we put down to simulate pet urine. The nozzle's rubberized bristles even grabbed pet hair while removing stains for a more thorough attack on pet messes. Its wheels and carrying handle helped make it easy to maneuver and move from one room to the next. The oversized tanks on Rug Doctor's corded model hold 64 ounces of cleaning solution, so that means less refilling through big or multiple jobs. We found that filling the solution tank was a bit tricky as the tank does not stand on its own and can be heavy when full, so be sure to balance it well on a flat surface. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.